Hey, have you noticed the massive steel structure they're assembling over there? It's like a giant metallic puzzle.
Ah, yes, that's the new bridge project. It's incredible to witness the precision and skill required to fuse those metal pieces together seamlessly.
I've always been fascinated by welding. It's like a magical process that transforms separate parts into a solid, unified structure.
You're right. It is quite fascinating. Welding involves a variety of processes, each with its unique characteristics and applications.
Can you elaborate on these different welding processes? I'd love to learn more about them.
Certainly. One of the most common processes is shielded metal arc welding, often referred to as stick welding. It uses a consumable electrode coated with flux to create an arc and fuse the metal together.
I've also heard about gas metal arc welding or MIG welding. How does that work?
MIG welding is a semi-automatic process that uses a continuously fed solid wire electrode and an inert or semi-inert gas to protect the weld area from contamination. It's widely used for welding carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum.
And what about that one I've seen in some root welding operations?
Ah, you must be referring to gas tungsten arc welding, also known as TIG welding. It uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode and an inert gas to create a highly concentrated arc. This process is often used for welding thin materials or when precise control is required.
Wow, there's so much to learn. It's amazing how each process has its own strengths and applications.